Hey guys, this is Grant Evans from Ecological. Today we're going to be installing the hood bulge and grille surround overlay on this 2018 Toyota Tundra. So if you have the 2014 to 2021 Toyota Tundra, the grille overlay and hood bulge will be the exact same for you here, so watch this video. Also make sure to refer to the digital installation instructions that came with your product. So this video is to supplement those instructions, but please refer back to this. So scan your QR code. That'll take you to the website to follow along.
These are the tools you're going to need. Isopropyl rubbing alcohol, your digital installation instructions with the adhesion promoter, and maybe a friend. Before you remove any of the red backing to the 3M tape, perform a dry fit by installing the part without removing the red backing. This is just to make sure everything lines up the way that you want it to, and to practice your installation technique. You should feel the inner edge near the top of the grille surround actually pop into place. Clean the surface thoroughly with your isopropyl alcohol. Now apply the adhesion promoter to the areas where the tape will be touching down. We're using a bottle of Primer 94. That's the same adhesion promoter that's included with your digital installation instructions. Completely remove the red backing to the 3M tape here and here. For the remaining pieces of tape, take the first inch to inch and a half, wrap it around to the front surface, and use masking tape to tape it there to access later.
One of the most important things about this install is actually the order in which you remove the 3M tape. So this piece right here is going to be the first one that we remove. So once we put it on top of the hood bulge, we're going to peel that back, make sure that's nice and stuck on, and then we'll go to this piece right here, and then that piece, and then we'll do the bottom ones. But it's very important to do it in that order. All right, so you're going to install this the same way you did the dry fit. Let's just slip it right on. And then before we peel any tape, we have to make sure this perimeter line doesn't have any chrome exposed. You can use an extra set of hands if that helps, but you can do this yourself. Once you're satisfied with the position, now you can start to peel back this red backing that we exposed before. Make sure that you're staying tight to this line. So again, it might help to have another person to help you, but as long as you do it slowly and make sure that you are keeping all that chrome covered, should be fine. As you go down, put pressure on the areas of 3M tape that you've exposed to kind of lock those into position. Alright, so after that piece is off, now put your pressure on the whole piece. We'll go back over it at the end, but you just want to make sure that doesn't shift as you remove the rest of the backing. Now we're going to remove that perimeter piece. And I kind of lift up just a little bit just to get it around those corners. And then once you're past those, now put pressure just right there to make sure that doesn't shift. Okay. The corners kind of lift a little bit just to be able to get that red backing out without it ripping. Now put pressure along the entire perimeter.
On the grill surround, peel back the first inch to inch and a half on the area just underneath the grill. Tape that around to the front surface to access it later. Then completely remove the red backing to the rest of the pieces of tape. Like you practice in the dry fit, make sure that inner edge pops into place. Now that everything is lined up correctly, you can remove the red backing to the 3M tape. With the part now completely installed, apply pressure to all the areas where the 3M tape was attached. If your parts did come with protective film, go ahead and peel that off now.
All right guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully that helped out your installation a little bit. We also did the front bumper shells installation on this Tundra, so if you want to see how to do those, go ahead and click the link in the description or the box on the side of this video. For more information or to be able to purchase more of our products, go ahead and head to our website. Also make sure to follow us on social media and post any before and after pictures that you guys have.